Meaning of greater.
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 Greater. Greater is a word that can have multiple meanings depending on the context. Generally, it refers to someone or something that is responsible for grading or evaluating the quality or performance of something else. For example, a teacher might be a grader who evaluates student work, or an agricultural machine designed to sort produce by size may be called a grader. The term may also refer to a device used to level or smooth surfaces such as roads or construction sites. Overall, the term grader implies a critical evaluation or assessment of something's worth or quality.